Hello folks, this is Sue Bell from ThemeZoom.com, and I'm here today because I wanted to show you our humble beginnings. 2 years ago, this incredible map was the bare bones of what I was doing in order to dominate a market. Matt and I put our heads together at that point because I was doing all of this on a spreadsheet. Can you imagine that? Google Docs was my best friend. So Matt and I got together to take all of this and turn it into this. Everything that would help me define the value of a keyword, take the value of that keyword, figure out how much it was going to cost me to rank, determine what the best keywords were based on how much money I had to dominate that particular market and how fast I needed results, and then to be able to collectively have a team that helped me do all of this. And my biggest pain at that point was not having any feedback for when one of these things was accomplished, right? So like all the blocks up here at the top, this is all setup stuff. And for each one of those things, you've got a user ID and a password, right? Just that in and of itself was an absolute nightmare to keep track of. Can you imagine like 10 huge projects, each of them with, and just take a quick glance at that whiteboard over there. That's an idea of our social structure for each one of these projects. So each one of those circles is represented by several boxes on this process map in terms of what had to happen with each one of those social sites, right? And how it was all connected. And in the end, these were the customers funneling through the funnel, right? And the money coming out the bottom. And so I had to take a moment and share with you the horrendous nightmare that has been resolved by the tools represented on this board. Thanks so much, folks. This is Sue Bell from ThemeZoom.com.